in California, San Francisco. I was a school teacher. I was assaulted. I had a brain injury from that, and I spent the next 2 years in inpatient centers and hospitals. I had to learn to read and write, everything. So the tinnitus was my last symptom to overcome. I did overcome everything else, but the ringing in my ears was probably worse than a lot of the other symptoms. And I went to every doctor, every facility. I was flown to Duke University Hospital. They couldn't help me. Everyone wanted to give me hearing aids that amplified sound, and I can actually hear sound 10 times better than the normal person. So I got no relief. My doctors there told me I needed a quiet place to live because my brain wouldn't heal correctly in a busy city. So we came to Utah, where my husband's family's from. My husband overheard 2 gentlemen talking about how Dr. Maxwell helped them with this problem, and it was my lingering, hardest problem to overcome. And so we came to Dr. Maxwell, and my story begins there with my new journey of no ringing in my ears, no more tinnitus. I think I cried in his office for an hour before I could even get to my car. Oh, I felt like I was going insane. I felt like a crazy person hearing this like loud dog whistle in my head 24/7. I could hardly sleep. I didn't get much sleep because of it. It was life-changing just to have silence in your head. So I think I was a much happier person. My kids noticed, my husband of course noticed, and grandchildren. It changed my life.